Look at my beautiful rainbow. And today we're gonna be playing Roblox, but I really want to play my favorite game. So let's see who's on Roblox right now. I have 165 Robux. So I'm still premium. Okay, so y'all, let's go ahead. Oh, let me show y'all my new character. I didn't get to show y'all. Who was playing? Let me invite my friend. Okay, so y'all, let's play Book Heaven RP and see if I could get a brother, a mom, a sister, or either a daughter. Let's see. 4 things that I really want. Let's go ahead and play. So let's see. We got some premium people on here. Okay. We got some premium people on here. So let's go ahead and play. Here's me. I know I look skinny on here, but let me change my character and then put on those jeans that I just had on because they was cute. They was cute. They was not ugly at all. They was down here somewhere. Oh, there they go right there. So they go to jeans, y'all. So I don't know what shirt I'm finna wear, but let me find one. So I think these my new type of jeans, y'all. See, should I do these two ponytails? Nah. I got all these different styles. Don't press it. Okay. I got all these different styles, so I'm premium, y'all, as y'all know. So if I lose all my Robux, I'm a noob. But I'm premium. Oh, dang, her outfit cute. Hold on, do I have that shirt? I have this blue one. I wear the blue one. Oh, she cute with a, or whatever. She premium. I'm cute too. With my little premium too. But I want her to be my sister. For real. She says the root. Oh, she was cute. I'm gonna go ahead and get this hair. Go ahead and get my little brown hair. Yo, so y'all know on Roblox that my favorite style is this right here. That's my favorite style. So let's see. Go ahead and get my accessories. Y'all, I've been using these accessories to like play games and stuff. So I'm gonna say ABC for mom. So I said it. I'm cute or whatever. Okay, she said she at her house, so I'm gonna pull up here. Look for a house name. Okay. That's the girl that had changed. Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm her mom. I wanted you to be my sister, but this me. This me. Oh, she cute. I'm gonna say you cute. You cute. Oh wait. You cute. You cute. Can we all be sisters? Yes. I said you cute. She said I'm cute. I said yes. Thanks. Aw. Walking in the store, get what you want, you get it. You get what you please. We about to finish it all. I got what you need. Walk up in the store. It's a song that Pop Smoke had made called "What You Know About Love." It's the exact same beat. That's why I'm singing different words. You heard me, Grandma? Huh? I was talking to you just now. No, I said it's the song that Pop Smoke had made before he had passed, and it has this exact beat, so that's why I was singing different. Yeah. Yeah, and that's an old song. I got one. They always these new people, new singers, they borrow the music from the old people. You know the old song. Oh. Right. That's why I was wondering what you was talking about. I said, does she know that song? I don't think who's singing this. That's why I was singing a different. They gonna like, say it now. Yeah. Black Street. I gotta find out. Yeah, this is the song back in the day. His voice. They can sing. It's a group of them. Oh. You're my everything. So yeah, we sisters. Use private chat. Yes. You're my everything. Yes. Yes. Sing it.
You don't want you to have the heat on, then it'd be like rubber. So you want the white part of that, not the yellow, right?
Yeah, you could put it right here on the stool. So,
Is this enough or you want some more?
that's enough.
Alright. You put the egg on the side.
Yeah.
You want the sesame seed sauce?
Yeah.
You put on yourself?
Yeah,
You
you
don't
can
want
put
none?
it on. Yeah, I want some.
Alright.
Why is she banging me?